ball joints in the master. Is that torch burning that now? Is it heating it? No. Right, he's made up a tool, a wee bottle jack to pop his ball joints out. He's going to try it. So I'll set it up. Yeah, how good the Temu jack is. Oh.
Come on. I'll get up on the hammer. A lot of pressure in that.
Oh, pressure off and do it again. That would be wet.
Can I really get hit that? Ah, you bastard, it's fucking bending.
Is that?
Fucking cunt.
What, the tool?
The bottom, that fucking thick bit of metal's got a bend in it. If I could hit that with a bar in there, I'm going to shock that. Yeah?
Doubt it. Big bend.
Ah, that's it.
Yes!
Fucking heck, fuck.
Yeah, play. The ball joint out like that.
I know.
Saying that the grease is all burnt at it, but...
Right. That's good, that's it.
The top one though.
Right, it's perfect at the bottom. Hit a bit here. It's not bad. You need to go in a wee bit at the top.
Wait, steady it from the bottom when you do that.
I'm just going to hit it with the hammer a wee bit. Right. Yeah. So let me think what I'm doing here now.
Oh shit! Like your torch.
What's fucking happening?
No heard any creaks or nothing.
Pressure's on it though. Let's get a wee bit more.
Give it to her. Send it, send it. Ooh.
Yeah.
Something went, something gave.